To make our smoothie, we only need two tools, a blender and a grinder. Get one banana, medium sized. Put in that, and then some blueberries, about a half cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, both frozen preferably, keep it cold. Then grab some shredded kale, about 5 ounces worth, two big wads or handfuls. It's usually what I do, and just cram it into the blender as best as possible. Then take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, chia, or hemp seeds. Grind it just for a couple of seconds. Pour that in. Then take one of the, preferably a coconut water, about 16.9 ounce containers. They're pretty standard sized. You can replace this with just cold water instead if you don't want to have the coconut water. Coconut water gives you an extra 80 calories or so, but it also has other goodness for you. Put the lid on and just start blending, and I work my way up in speed. If there's ever any issues where it doesn't blend, usually like the blender I use has a tamper you can put in right through the center of the lid and push down any stuff that remains, but generally 90% of the time it just all mixes up on its own. So probably less than a minute of blending, and you'll know it just from feel, and that'll about do it. And you have your drink. It fills up a big stadium cup when you pour it out. I usually pour it all out, drink it all myself. If there's any excess, it's never more than just a couple of ounces at best, and I share that with Gromit. He really loves having them, but it's a pretty high calorie drink, so it's probably not good for dogs in general. Then finally showing here that you can just clean your blender with a half full of water and a drip of detergent, and that's all you need, and run that for a minute. Pour the rest out, and then if you want to run a sponge on the inside of it, you can, but it takes a minute to clean. That's it.